Hello students, today we have to see the next lecture for Business Statistics Paper 1 for SY BCom students. The name of the topic is Multiple Regression, Multiple Correlation and Properties of Multiple Correlation. Multiple correlation. Multiple correlation between x1 and x2 and x2, x3 is the maximum correlation between x1 and a linear combination of x2 and x3. See the definition. Suppose x1, x2 and x3 are interrelated variables and x1 cap is the estimate of x1 using least square regression plane of x1 on x2 and x3. Then the multiple correlation coefficient of x1 with respect to x2 and x3 is denoted by capital R 1.23 and is defined as product moment correlation coefficient between x1 and x1 cap. So capital R 1.23, the formula is given as under root of x square 12 plus x square 13 minus 2 into x12, x13, x23 divided by 1 minus r square 23. Similarly, capital R 2.13 is equal to under root r square 12 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12, r13, r23 divided by 1 minus r square 13. And capital R 3.12 is equal to under root r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12, r13, r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12. Then partial correlation coefficient. The correlation between two variables remaining after removing the linear effect of third variable is called as partial correlation. So small r12.3 is equal to r12 minus r13 into r23 divided by square root 1 minus r square 13 into 1 minus r square 23. Then r13.2 is equal to r13 minus r12 into r23 divided by under root 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 23. Same way, r23.1 can be written as r23 minus r12 into r13 divided by 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 13. See the example based on the above topic. If r12 is equal to 0.26, r13 is equal to 0.38 and r23 is equal to 0.48. Find all multiple and partial correlation coefficients. So the multiple correlation coefficients we will find first. Capital 1.23, the formula is square root of r square 12 plus r square 13 minus 2 into r12, r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 23. Replace all the values which are given in the problem statement. It becomes square root 0.26 square plus 0.38 square minus 2 into 0.26 into 0.38 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.48 square, which can be written as 0.0676 plus 0.1444 minus 0.094848 divided by 1 minus 0.2304. So if you solve it further, it gives us square root 0.117152 divided by 0.7696. So the division can be written as square root of 0.15224532. So the answer is 0.3901596. Then capital 2.13, the formula is square root of r square 12 plus r square 2 3 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 13. Replace all the values in the formula. We can write r2 2.13 as square root of 0.26 square plus 0.48 square minus 2 into 0.26 into 0.38 into 0.51 divided by 1 minus 0.38 square, which we can solve it further as 0.0676 plus 0.2304 minus 0.094848 divided by 1 minus 0.1444. So the division can be written as 0. Square root of 0.203152 divided by 0.8556. So this division is given by square root of 0.237438055. So the answer is capital 2.13 is equal to 0.487276. The third multiple correlation, capital 3.12, is given as square root of r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12, which can be written as square root of 0.38 square plus 0.48 square minus 2 into 0.26 into 0.38 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.26 square. So if you take the squares, the values becomes square root of 0.1444 plus 0.2304 minus 0.094848 divided by 0.9324. So after addition, the values are square root of 0.279952 divided by 0.9324, which can be written as square root of 0.30024. If you take the square root, the answer becomes 0.5479. Then we will go for partial correlation coefficients. Small r12.3 is given as r12 minus r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 13 into 1 minus r square 23. So replace the values. We can write it as 0.26 minus 0.38 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.38 square into 1 minus 0.48 square, which can be written as 0.0776 divided by square root of 0.8556 into 0.7696. After further solving, we get the answer as 0.0776 divided by 0.81146. So perform the division. Small r 12.3 is equal to 0.09562. Then r13.2 is equal to r13 minus r12 into r23 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 12 into bracket 1 minus r square 23. Replace the values. The form it small r 13.2 is equal to 0.38 minus 0.26 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.26 square into 1 minus 0.48 square, which is equal to 0.2552 divided by square root of 0.9324 into 0.7696. So which is equal to 0.2552 divided by 0.847098. If you perform the division, small r 13.2, the value becomes 0.301263. Then small r to 3.1, the formula is r23 minus r13, r12 into r13 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 13, which is equal to 0.48 minus 0.26 into 0.38 divided by 1 minus 0.26 square into 1 minus 0.38 square, which is equal to 0.3812 divided by 0.8931. So the value becomes 0.4268. See the next example. Given that R12 is equal to 0.28, R13 is equal to 0.49 and R23 is equal to 0.51. Compute capital R 1.23 and small r 12.3. So capital R 1.23 multiple correlation coefficient can be written as square root of r square 12 plus r square 13 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 23. So substitute the values. R 1.23 can be written as square root of 0.28 square plus 0.49 square minus 2 into 0.28 into 0.49 into 0.51 divided by 1 minus 0.51 square, which is equal to square root of 0.0784 plus 0.2401 minus 0.139944 divided by 1 minus 0.2601. So if you add and subtract, the value becomes square root of 0.178556 divided by 0.7399. So which can be considered as square root of 0.241324, which is nothing but 0.491247. Then small r 12.3 we have to calculate. The formula is r12 minus r13 into r23 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 13 into 1 minus r square 23. Replace the values. Small r 12.3 is equal to 0.28 minus 0.49 into 0.31 divided by square root of 1 minus 0.49 square into 1 minus 0.51 square. It becomes 0.0301 divided by square root of 0.56225, which is nothing but 0.0301 divided by 0.7498. So the answer becomes 0.04014. So small r 12.3, the value is 0.04014. Next example. Given that R12 is equal to 0.6, R13 is equal to 0.7 and R23 is equal to 0.65. Compute capital R 3.12 and small r 13.2. So capital R 3.12, the formula can be written as square root of r square 13 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 12. Substitute the values which are given in the problem statement. R 3.12 is equal to square root of 0.70 square plus 0.65 square minus 2 into 0.6 into 0.7 into 0.65 divided by 1 minus 0.6 square, which is equal to 0.49 plus 0.4225 minus 0.546 divided by 1 minus 0.36. We can solve it further as square root of 0.3665 divided by 0.64 which is equal to square root of 0.57265625. So if you take the square root, the answer is 0.756740. So capital R 3.12 is equal to 0.767567403443. Then small r 13.2 is equal to small r13 minus r12 into r23 divided by square root of 1 minus r square 12 into 1 minus r square 23. Replace the values. We can write this as 0.7 minus 0.6 into 0.65 divided by 1 minus 0.6 square into bracket 1 minus 0.65 square. So the answer becomes 0.31 divided by square root of 0.64 into 0.5775. So solve it further, which can be written as 0.31 divided by 0.3696. So the answer is 0.31 divided by 0.607947. So small r 13.2 can be written as 0.5099125563. Next example. Given that R12 is equal to minus 0.66, R13 is equal to minus 0.13 and R23 is equal to 0.6. Compute capital R 2.13 and small r to 3.1. So capital R 2.13 is equal to square root of r square 12 plus r square 23 minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 divided by 1 minus r square 13, which is equal to square root of minus 0.66 square plus 0.6 square minus 2 into minus 0.66 into minus 0.13 into 0.6 divided by 1 minus 0.13 square. So we will solve it further as square root of 0.4356 plus 0.36 minus 0.10296 divided by 1 minus 0.0169. So which is equal to square root of 0.69264 divided by 0.9831. So the division is square root of 0.70454684 and the square root of this value is equal to 0.839372. Then small r to 3.1 we are expected to find, which can be written as r23 minus r12 into r13 divided by 1 minus r square 12 into bracket 1 minus r square 13. So substitute the values. We can write this as 0.6 minus bracket minus 0.66 into minus 0.13 divided by square root of 1 minus 0.66 square into 1 minus 0.13 square. So 0.6 minus 0.0858 divided by square root of 0.5644 into 0.9831, which is equal to 0.5142 divided by square root of 0.55486164, which is equal to 0.5142 divided by 0.744890. So if you perform the division, the answer is 0.690302937.